We've said it time again, AI automation tools are everywhere. But while a lot of them may seem like they're mainly for marketers or creatives, there actually are quite a lot of handy AI tools for sales teams as well. Now, I'm not sponsored by any of these tools. I simply want to share these tools to more people to help them stay prepared for the future. And if you'd like to share this video out to more people to help in the journey, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to learn the building blocks for the age of AI. So why do sales teams actually need AI? Well, AI automation is doing a lot to help sales teams these days. In the State of AI report, they found that many sales professionals are actually using AI for three key things. For one, to automate manual tasks. In one survey of sales professionals, 35% reported using AI tools to automate manual tasks from data entry to scheduling. Using these tools helped professionals save about 2 hours each day on average. This gives salespeople more time to focus on what really matters, which is selling. Then there's also the getting more data-driven insights. AI tools also help 34% sales professionals to get more data-driven insights from forecasting, lead scoring, and pipeline analysis. This is extremely useful as whopping 50-70% of sales reps forecast their pipeline inaccurately. This is quite a large percentage considering knowing how to accurately forecast future revenue and monitor pipeline can give more insight into what potential leads they should spend their time focusing on. And then there's 3, generating content. Of course, there's the power of AI for generating content. We know how this is useful for marketers as we talked about this in another video, but in fact, 31% of sales professionals use generative AI tools like ChatGPT and WordTune to support them with writing messages to prospects, repurposing messages for different audiences, and just fixing grammatical errors. So now that you know why AI is useful for the sales teams, let's dive into the 5 tools. The first one is a popular one that you guys all know of, Hubspot. With over 100,000 paying customers in over 120 countries, Hubspot is one of the most popular customer relationship management systems out there. If you've worked in sales before, it's no surprise that you've heard of HubSpot before, but now with HubSpot AI, you have a suite of AI tools integrated into the HubSpot's customer platform. From their integration with ChatSpot, use of generative AI, and their AI content and email writer, sales teams can now leverage AI to craft messages, fix grammatical errors, and repurpose content. In addition, tools like their AI Content Assistant integrates with other HubSpot features, so this makes content creation quite easy. Some key features you can take note of is the aforementioned AI Content Writer and Email Writer, which helps with generating content for potential clients from emails to personalized messages for different audiences. And ChatSpot's integration with HubSpot streamlines sales processes by accelerating sales prospecting, providing deep insights on data, and giving prompt templates that leverage GPT-4 to conduct company research. You can also use generative AI features to help create website copy, social media posts, and more. And then there's Drift. This is another AI tool for sales teams which helps personalize the sales experience. Simply put, it is an AI-powered conversational platform that helps marketing, sales, and customer service teams deliver personalized customer experiences. With Drift, you can jumpstart conversations easily and allows you to see real-time site analytics to see which visitors to target. The tool helps to enhance productivity by engaging prospects in real-time conversations. According to their own site, using Drift allowed sales professionals to see 50% increases in sales efficiency, 85% increase in conversation to marketing qualified leads, and 20% increase in sales win rates. Their AI-powered engagement score feature helps prioritize which visitors and potential leads you should focus on. They also have real-time notifications for website visitors that help the sales team to start up timely conversations, and their AI-powered chatbots can run for 24/7 with deep conversations, making it easy for you to keep potential customers engaged. They also have integrated sales playbooks into the chatbot so that you can convert the potential leads into more traffic. Then there's also Tavus. This AI tool is quite unique because it's an AI video personalization platform. So think about recording a single sales video for outreach to potential customers, then changing that video so it is applicable for all prospects. From Salesforce, Meta, and Podium, many well-known brands have actually worked with Tavus to create personalized videos that help convert customers. All you need to do is record a video once, which serves as a template, and then it will help personalize that video. According to their site, Tavus has allowed clients to get 250% boost to email click-through rates with increase in engagement. You can connect with sales leads in bulk with personalized videos. You can also do voice cloning and lip syncing, and you can add personalized video backgrounds as well to your videos, and have customized call to actions embedded within your videos alone. Then there's Gyaan. It's perfect for sales reps, managers, and account managers. It's an AI tool that brings your entire sales workflow into a single place. So they market themselves as like the ultimate workspace for high-performance sales teams, and it helps with win rates for prospects through deal tracking, workflow integration, and more. This is sort of like a productivity tool for sales teams. You can discover buyer pain points and understand the value of a potential customer with their competitive intelligence feature. You can also track deals and understand the progression, the health, and the potential risks for specific sale deals. And then you can also have all of your apps in a single place, from emails, notes, and chats. And then the last tool on the list is Exceed.ai. The tool itself is offered by Genesys, a leader in contact center solution. And it was noted as a leader in Gartner's 2023 Magic Quadrant for Contact Center as a Service. Exceed.ai is an AI platform that automates lead engagement and qualification across multiple channels. So not only does this help teams close deals faster, it actually gives your sales reps an opportunity to track their progress and collaborate with teams and so on. It's trusted by companies like Monday.com, Demandbase, Follows, and more. So even according to the website, users are actually able to increase their productivity by 35%, and they're able to increase their sales quotas by 109%. You can automatically assign leads to sales reps based on qualifying information. You integrate this with a number of CRMs and ERP systems from Salesforce, Oracle, and SAP. And you can automatically schedule meetings for reps as well. So there you have it. This was a short, simple list, but I hope that was helpful for any companies looking to optimize their sales teams. You can also combine some of these tools with some useful AI marketing tools or AI content generation tools. So if you're interested, check out that next video. And if you found any of these tools useful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel out. Also, leave a comment down below if you'd like more tools or want to dive deeper into a given tool. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more content on tools, tips, and tricks that help you navigate this new digital ocean of AI.